Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest active edit from Wantable to share with you. I think this is my third box. I've been really happy with my active edits, actually, and my style edits too. They've really been stepping up their game. So before we dig into the box and I show you what's inside and we try things on, I want to show you, this might not be new. I think it is though. It's the Style for Kayla, that sticker. Do you see that? I thought that was such a cute touch. Maybe it's not new because you know me, I dig right into my boxes. I usually rip open the tissue paper, which I did open the tissue paper. But I also wanted to show you something else that I noticed that's changed, which I really like. And it's not really a huge change, but I noticed I got this in my box and it says your return your way. So basically it used to be you returned through the post office and now they're giving you an option and they actually gave me a label. So I just want to block out my address. So they gave me a label so I can return this through the UPS if I wanted to, or the post office. So they give you the label and the bag for the post office, but you can slap this label right on the bag and use UPS if you choose to. So I thought that was a really nice thing that they're doing, is giving people two options. So yeah, you go Wantable. All right, let's see what I got. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually want to show you the sports bra too because they did send me a sports bra. It's by Marika Curves, the seamless sports bra in dark heather gray, $60. So I'm gonna put it on and try it on underneath the clothing they sent. So it is the heather gray, and then in the back, whoops, it has like the crisscross. I think it's supposed to crisscross like that. Let me see. Oh yeah, yep, because it was unbuttoned or there we go. See, it's supposed to crisscross in the back like that. So I'll try it on and I won't show you the bra on its own, but I'll let you know how it feels and I'll show you it underneath the clothing. So we'll see, how it looks there. All right, now I'll really be right back. Okay, so I have the sports bra on underneath this first tank. It's very comfortable, it fits nicely, but there's one thing I don't care for, and that's the back. Now, when I turn around to show you the back of this tank in a little bit, you're gonna notice two bulges, and those are the straps from the bra that I can't get to stay tucked in anywhere. And so I just don't think that I'm gonna keep it because the straps would drive me crazy. It's just not a good look. All right, let's talk about the tank. This is by Glyder. It's the Mood Tank in Ice Blue, extra large, $48. The material is 62% polyester, 33% rayon, 5% spandex. So I like this tank. I actually think I received this tank in like a strawberry red color, my first Wantable box. Do you remember that? I love the mesh detailing on the top. That same mesh detailing is also right here on the top. I like it. It's very comfortable. Yeah. Are you looking at this? This is from the pants. I'll talk about this in a second when I talk about the pants. Yeah, no. But I do like the tank a lot. I love the color of the tank. I like the wider straps of the tank. Let me show you the back of it. You see those two bulges I was talking about? Yeah, not cute, right? All right, let me turn the camera down and I'll talk about the leggings. The leggings I'm not gonna keep. Let me turn the camera down, hang on. Okay, so let's talk about the leggings. These are by MPG Sport, the Mermaid 2.0 legging, size extra large, $54. And oh gosh, I forgot to look at the material of them. So they're cute. I do like the color of them a lot. They're like a very, very dark, I'm gonna say like teal blue. And then the seam has a little bit of a lighter blue, and it has the seaming down each of the sides, even on the inside of the pants too, or the leggings. They're very long. I just kind of cuffed them inside because they were really long. I don't know if I care for them. They have this string. See this string right here? And you're just supposed to pull it, I think, but it's in the inside of the legging. It's not on the outside. For a second, I thought I had my leggings on inside out. Yeah, no, I didn't. But you could probably tie them. It's just the elastic to like loosen them or tighten them up, but I just don't think it's in a good spot because it shows through the tops. You know what I mean? So that's why I don't like them. Let me show you the side view and the back of them though. So they do fit nicely and they're comfortable, but I just don't know about this here. Yeah, I just don't know why it's on the inside of the leggings. And I made sure that I wasn't trying them on inside out, I promise. All right, let me change, I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed back into my own bra so we can get a better idea of how the backs of the tops will look without the bulging, the bulging from the straps, I should say. So The top, this tank is very cute actually. I really like it. I know it's just a basic black tank, but I think it's a really nice one, and the material feels great. The material is 50 rayon, 50 polyester. It's the Alternative Apparel Slinky Jersey Muscle Tank Top in black. The size is not on here, but I think it was an extra large. It's only 28 bucks, which is not a bad price for Wantable. I think it's really cute. I think, you know, it's good. It'll be good for my walking days. So I think I'm gonna end up keeping this black tank. I like the length of it. You can't go wrong with a black tank top to work out, you know, or walk. And it's getting cooler, so, you know, sometimes black is hard when it's hot in the sun, but since it's getting cooler out, yeah, we can do this, right? Let me show you the back. Okay, now let's talk about these leggings. So if you didn't catch my last Wantable active edit, I'll pop a card up above. I received a pair of leggings. They were snake print leggings. They were so cute. They were $100. So I'm like, oh my God, they're cute, but I wouldn't pay $100 for leggings. I personally wouldn't, you know, but these are snake print too, and these are so comfortable. I like these better than the first ones that I tried on. Not the first ones, you know, not the first pair of snake print ones, but the first pair today that I tried on. Are you with me? So let's talk about them. Actually, you know what? Let me turn the camera down. Hang on. Okay, so I think these leggings are cute. They fit great. They're comfortable. They're calling these the Cycle House Chaser 25-inch tight in Forest Watercolor Snake. They're $65, so they are still a bit pricey. I think they're cute. I like the rise of them. They are more of a high rise on me, at least. They are darker than the first pair of snake print leggings that I received. The first pair were like your true snake print, the lighter with the grays. These are more of a black tone, which I do like. I like darker because I'm heavier on the bottom. Well, not just on the bottom. So I need dark, I feel like, especially on the bottom. I need darker pants and darker bottoms. You know what I mean? I do like the length of them. They were a bit long, so you can probably see a little bit of gathering, but I think the print, look at how fun the print is. Isn't it so pretty? I just love it. Yep. I think they're flattering, so I'm gonna keep these. Yep, I am. Let me show you the back of them. I think they're a lot of fun, and maybe they'd motivate me to walk even more because I love them. You know, it's fun to have like fun, stylish workout clothes. You know, I'm not a like avid workout person, but I do go for my walks. And so I like to have fun clothes to walk in too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep both of these. All right, let me change tops. I'll be right back. Okay, next top is by the brand Alternative Apparel as well. And this is the Heavy Wash Jersey Muscle Tank Top in red, $28, extra large, 100% cotton. So the material feels really, really nice. I really like it. I love the color of this tank. I kept it on with the snake print leggings. I think it looks fun to have a pop of color with the snake print. I just don't know that I need another. I know you can see my bra, but that's because, you know, it's an activewear tank and you'd probably wear a sports bra, and so it's okay if they show. But so what was I saying? I got so sidetracked. Oh, I don't need another red tank because I have a lot of red workout tanks. Yeah. So I don't think I need another one, but this one's cute. Not a bad price as well. I know I'm saying I don't need another red one, but I'm getting another black. I just, you know, I feel like the black goes with more, and that's why I'm picking that one up. But this one's really nice too. Isn't it a pretty color? I know, it is. All right, let me show you the back of this one. So I think I'm gonna send this one back. I just don't need it. I know, I don't need the black one either, but all right, I have one more top to show you, so let me grab it and I'll be right back. Okay, so last top is by the brand Colosseum. It's the Cora long sleeve hooded tee in gray, extra large, only $26. And I already forgot the material. Oh boy. Boy, was I off today, huh? So I'll look when I take this off, and I'll put it across the screen for you so you know what it is. This is a very lightweight hoodie, and this is the perfect weight for me because I don't like anything too heavy. I like to be able to layer, so I like the weight of this. But you know, let's just talk about how nice it looks with the snake print leggings too, doesn't it? I think it's a cute look. So these go with a lot. It comes up, it has like a rounded hemline, and then the split comes up here on each side. There's one thing that's driving me crazy, and you can tell me if I'm being too nitpicky. These are like the rope, you know, I don't wear a lot of hoodies, so you know, I may be totally off with this, But I kind of feel like these should match the color of the hoodie. Am I wrong? They almost, I don't know if I like the rope look. I don't know. I know that hoodies have these, like the strings, but I just, you could, Kayla, you're being way too nitpicky. It is hooded. Let's try on the hood. It might mess up my bun, but get caught in the rain while I'm walking and I can throw on the hood. Cute, right? Oops. I like it. I like the weight of it. I just don't know how much I'd pull for it. I like, you know, I'd like something in this weight. Maybe that's a zip up hoodie or like a pullover. Not a pullover. This is a pullover. A zip up, you know what I mean? All right, let me show you the back of it. I like it. I don't love it. And so it's going back. Okay, I'll be right back for a quick recap. You probably know what I'm keeping, but we'll do it anyway. Okay, so this was a pretty good active edit, wasn't it? So I think I have my two keepers. Now, how the heck though did I not notice the honking letters on the back of these leggings on the elastic waistband? I didn't notice that when I pulled them out of the box, when I had them on. You guys probably, you know, I didn't watch back yet, but you might have seen this lettering before I did. So I do think I'm going to keep them though, because I will probably wear tops that would cover up the letters, and I like the black top too. I'll get a lot of use out of it, so I'm going to keep these two. It'll be a cute walking outfit and even lounging around the house too. So then as it gets cooler, I can wear this with a, you know, long sleeve black top or gray. It even has a bit of like a tinge of green, I want to say too. So I'll get a lot of use out of these, I think, and I think they're super fun. So I do have a bit of credit, so I want to thank you if you've used my link. And again, if you've used my link, please let me know which edit you chose, the active, the style, both. And thank you again for using my link. I hope that you loved your boxes. I'm really loving Wantable lately. They've moved up into my top 3. They've been in my top 3 probably for the whole summer, I'd say. So yep, they're really stepping up their game. So keeping these two pieces. Today's Saturday. I don't know if you're going to see this. No, you're not going to see this Saturday because I already popped a video up today. You're probably going to see this Sunday or Monday, but I think I'm going to head out and do some shopping. I do. I know you're probably like, well, why do you need to go shopping? You get so many boxes, but I've been wanting to do some of the hauls. It was like a month and a half ago, maybe a month ago, that I asked what hauls you'd like to see, some shopping hauls. And I really haven't had the chance to go into a store and do like a big haul. So I think I'm gonna see what's out there today. It's kind of been, as you can tell, like the sun's been in and out. It's kind of been a little bit gloomy. So I think I'm gonna use today to do some shopping. I think I could use some. So what are you doing today? What did you do over the weekend? Anything fun? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. Oh, now the sun's coming out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.